Before you start, make sure you have the following tools prepared. Open the outer box, take out all components from the packaging, and cross-verify with the instruction manual to ensure all parts are present before you proceed. Take out the module main body, remove the front cover of the module, check that both dirty water tank filter in the dirty water slot and the silver ion holder in the clean water slot are tight. If not, turn both components clockwise until tight. Disconnect the power supply of the station. If the water tanks are installed, remove both the clean water tank and the dirty water tank. Remove the 4-edge sealing plugs and the central sealing plug on the top of the station. Align the sealing plug with the central groove at the bottom of the module, press it down, and secure it in place. Assemble the check valve correctly. The 3 parts are connected in sequence, keeping the arrows pointing in the same direction. Cut a 25 cm section of the 3/8 inches OD pipe and a 20 cm section of the 1/4 inches OD pipe. Then cut this section of 1/4 inches OD pipe further into 2 10 cm sections and connect them with the check valve. Connect this 1/4 inches OD pipe sections fore end with the elbow assembly for inlet pipe, and connect the other end to the quick connection elbow for 3/8 inches OD pipe. Connect the 3/8 inches OD pipe section to the elbow assembly for outlet pipe and quick connection elbow for 3/8 inches OD pipe with 2 ends of the section. Connect the elbow assembly for inlet pipe to the module as well. Turn it clockwise and use a screwdriver to tighten the screw into the exposed hole. Insert the elbow assembly for outlet pipe into the module, and then secure it by snapping the C-clip into the gap between the module. Take out the cleaning solution provided with the module. Tear the seal paper of the vent. Insert the cleaning solution bottle with the liquid outlet on the left and the vent on the right, pushing it inward and pressing it as much as possible to ensure a secure lock. After inserting the cleaning solution, cover the module with its front cover. You can place the station near the installation position and start setting the water supply. Firstly, shut off the angle valve and drain the remaining water from the pipe. Place a towel underneath to catch any dripping water during the installation process. Unscrew the water pipe and install the clean water pipe T-joint connector. Before installation, please check whether the inlet of the T-joint connector has been equipped with a filter seal. If the angle valve has already been connected to other appliances before installation, connect the existing water line to the other end of the T-joint connector. If there is no immediate need to connect other appliances, install the cap plug at the other end of the T-joint connector. Connect the 1/4 inches OD pipe to the outlet of the T-joint connector. Check the water pressure of the 1/4 inches OD pipe, and then close the T-joint connector. Cut the 1/4 inches OD pipe at a distance of 10 to 20 centimeters from the T-joint connector, and install the pressure relief valve. Based on actual needs, cut a suitable length of the 1/4 inches OD pipe, and connect one end to the unoccupied side of the pressure relief valve, and connect the other end to the unoccupied side of the quick connection elbow for 3/8 inches OD pipe. Cut a proper length of the 3/8 inches OD pipe. Connect one end to the unoccupied side of the quick connection elbow for 3/8 inches OD pipe, and connect the other end to the discharge pipe. Use cable clip to wrap the 1/4 inches OD pipe and 3/8 inches OD pipe together with the water pipe decorative tube. Connect the power supply to the station and release the valve of T-joint connector. If the station is successfully started up, press and hold the back to station button on the D-bot to start a station self-cleaning process and check if the water is being automatically filled and drained. And make sure there is no leakage at all joints. Place the D-bot back into the station. Run a whole house cleaning task to confirm if the system operates well. This chapter ends here. Thank you for watching.